Good morning students. In today's video, we will discuss entrepreneurial competencies. For this topic, you may refer the book of Sanjeet Sharma. Before going on the details, let us first understand the meaning of competency. Competency basically means possession of knowledge, skill, personality profile which leads to better performance. It may also refers to the characteristic, quality or trait of a person because of which an entrepreneur becomes the successful entrepreneur. सो कॉम्पिटेंसीज़ का मतलब है बेसिकली ऐसी क्वालिटीज़ जिसकी वजह से एंटरप्रेन्योर कैन बिकम सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर। जैसा कि आप इस डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं, देयर आर मैनी entrepreneurial competencies which a person must possess. We will discuss these one by one. The first competency is problem solving. As we know that business is full of problems, but a good entrepreneur always find solution to these problems. Second competency is commitment to work. A successful entrepreneur makes several sacrifices in order to make the business a successful business. For this, the entrepreneur needs to show commitment to work by making sacrifices which may be in the form of the time devoted to the family which the entrepreneur needs to sacrifice, leisure time or arrangement of various resources or taking crucial decisions. Third competency is efficiency orientation. Efficiency means generating better output with limited resources without making wastage. So, good entrepreneur is one जो कि लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज के साथ मैक्सिमम आउटपुट जनरेट कर सकता है बाय रिड्यूसिंग द वेस्टेज. Fourth competency is the competency of monitoring. The entrepreneur must be capable of monitoring the environment within and outside the organization so that the entrepreneur is capable of finding the happenings or changes which are taking place in the environment and take the decision accordingly. Fifth competency is concern for employees' welfare. Employees are considered as key factor in the organization as they are the only active factor of production which handles other factors of production. So, the entrepreneur needs to take care of the employees' welfare by the way of providing good working conditions, congenial atmosphere and good rewards for their performance. Next, sixth competency is the competency of effective strategist. In order to face the competition, the entrepreneur must be capable of formulating various strategies from time to time. Seventh is organizer. The entrepreneur must be a good organizer at the limited resources. He or she must be able to organize the resources well in time as and when required. Next, eighth is foresightedness. The business decisions are made for future time period. That's why the entrepreneur must have the quality of foresightedness, that is, the entrepreneur must have a vision to look into the future and take the decision accordingly. Ninth competency is the competency of initiative. The entrepreneur must be able to take the initiative, that is, to do the things before others. For this, the entrepreneur must adopt the proactive approach. That is to say, the entrepreneur must be able to take decision in advance ahead of others. Next, looking for opportunities. As all of us knows that opportunities are very much present in the environment, but the person who succeed is the one who understand these opportunities ahead of others. So, for an entrepreneur, it is also very necessary that entrepreneur is capable for looking the opportunities ahead of others. 11th is persistence. Persistence means continuous or repeated efforts in order to achieve the organizational efforts or the objectives. Next is the systematic planning. The entrepreneur must be able to develop logical, realistic or proper plans in order to achieve organizational goals. 13th is able to communicate. The entrepreneur must be good at communication so that entrepreneur may communicate his ideas, viewpoints and plan to others in order to achieve the objectives in a better and realistic way. Next is determination and commitment. This quality calls for that how good is entrepreneur at overcoming the hurdles and solving the problem as and when they arise. The entrepreneur must be hardworking. Next, 15th point is accepts responsibilities. The entrepreneur must be capable of taking responsibility of all the work done by him, even if it is not doing well. नेक्स्ट इज फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड अडेप्टेबिलिटी. जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं दैट बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट इज एवर चेंजिंग, हमेशा उसमें चेंज आता रहता है. तो अ गुड एंटरप्रेन्योर इज वन who is able to make necessary changes in the business planning according to the changed environment so that business may act accordingly. Next is creativity and innovation. As we know that change is the law of nature, so is the business environment. इसके लिए जरूरी है एंटरप्रेन्योर मस्ट बी क्रिएटिव एंड फाइंडिंग समथिंग न्यू एवरी नाउ एंड देन. नेक्स्ट इज लीडरशिप कैपेबिलिटीज. Since business is the idea of the entrepreneur, it is the vision of the entrepreneur. So entrepreneur must have good leadership qualities in order to make others follow the suit. Next, self-confidence. Confidence is the hallmark of the successful organization. So, the entrepreneur must be self-confident in order to make things happen. Next is assertiveness. The entrepreneur must be able to assert his viewpoints and ideas with others. Next is persuasion. The entrepreneur must be able to persuade others to act according to the plans developed by him. Next is information seeking. The business world is full of information, but not all the information is of use. So, the entrepreneur must be able to find relevant information for the sound decision making. 23rd is concern for quality product. Today's time is the time of quality products. Nobody wants to make compromise on quality. So, the entrepreneur must be capable of developing high quality standards for the product on a reasonable price. 24th is decision making capabilities. In business, the entrepreneur needs to make number of decisions on daily basis. For this, the entrepreneur must be capable of making right decision at the right time. Next, analytical mind. The entrepreneur must be able to scrutinize all the activities of the organization within and outside so that the weaknesses may be converted into strengths and threats may be converted into opportunities. Next, courageous and tactful. The entrepreneur must be able to take bold decision in the favor of business with the limited resources. Next, strong desire to success. As all of us knows that 90% of the businesses do fail, but even then the entrepreneur must have the capability and desire to succeed. Only then the business may be a successful venture. Next, not afraid of risk. Business environment is full of risk. The good entrepreneur is one who has the risk taking ability. Next and last is optimistic. The entrepreneur must have positive outlook to the environment in which the business is operating. So these are the various competencies which the entrepreneur must possess in order to make business a successful business. Thank you.